Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to delete duplicate layers at a time. Okay guys, so either black, either line feature, either polygon. See here, we'll check the reference for your reference. First we'll check the count. I'll select this one complete. Then see here, total count is 802. In this 802, maybe they have some different duplicate value also, duplicate layers. You'll see here. See this line feature. See here, 2 is there, 2 layers. And for your reference also, I will show you black. I will move here. See here, duplicate. So we want delete now at a time duplicate values. So total 802 is there. So we are going to see the now command we can use now command. So here command is overkill. See here, when you typing here, it will show the your reference also here. So I am going to type again. Overkill. Then enter. Now here it is select object. So I don't know whether it is have complete or somewhere. So that's why I will select complete drawing. Then enter. Then click OK. See now we will check. It will delete duplicates. If deleted or not, we will check now. Select all. Just come and move. See before 802. Now it is count 399. So it is deleted duplicate layers. See I have shown before. Here it is duplicate is there. Now we will check. We will move side. See there is no duplicates. So because here it is deleted. Even here also before we check here 2 is there. Now it is 1 only. So it is deleted duplicate at a time. Okay guys, thank you so much.